I look more sexy. Okay. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's a lady here, Deborah. I'm back again with another good video. So on today's video, like you've seen on the title, I'll be trying on these magnetic eyelashes with the magnetic eyeliner. Yes, it's for the first time using this, yeah, sometimes you've got to be introduced to these things and see how they work out. So right here we have the lashes and the eyeliner. This is how we're going to do it. Remember I said it's the first time. I just want to add some volume to my natural eyebrow. Yes, I'm testing things, I'm trying new things this season, so I thought like, hey, wanna go for this. Okay. Yes, I've tried applying glue lashes once upon a time. Yo, and I said if you see me having lashes, those kind of lashes on my eyes, take a stick and lash me. Because wow, the experience was so bad. Like there was, while we were applying them, there was this glue that they put on our eyes. It accidentally got into my eye and my eye couldn't stop crying. Like literally it cried. That glue was chilly, like it was horrible. Like I even said, hi, why can't we go without lashes, because they're so painful. My eye is so painful. Okay, fine, she talked me into it. I ended up having the lashes on, and it happened that one side of the lashes was up. I didn't want to put in the glue again. I wanted to get rid of them, and I asked her, how should I get rid of this? She said, no, you take a damp warm cloth, you pat your eyebrows down like this until they are soft enough to come out. I did that. It took me hours. It was so painful, like painful. And I said to myself, see me wearing this? Not anymore. Like for real, I'd rather not be called a girl than to suffer this. Too much of the beauty things out there that girls do engage in, they're so painful. Look at my nails. I don't have nails on. I also have a bad story to tell behind, but that doesn't mean I'll never have nails. Beauty comes with the price. Okay, so on today's video we'll be trying this magnetic eyelashes. Yes, so for the videos that I've watched, they made us aware that we've got to remove them carefully, because there's a tendency that you can remove the lashes and leave the magnet on this plastic. And I haven't removed them, I just opened it. You see, it's a portable thing. It closes, it opens, it's so good. I got them from Table Charm. I'm a distributor now, so some of the products I'll have to test them before I could sell them to somebody. So I also had that if you want to take them on and off, you can do that at ease. So I just want to experiment with my own eye. Without wasting any more time, let's journey into the process. Okay, so first of all, when we look at how to apply here, they say shake the liner well and apply it on your upper edge, on your upper eyebrows, and then leave to dry for 2 minutes. click lash into place. Yes, I hope it clicks. It clicks like they said, click it into place. Because when I was applying the traditional ones, I had to ask somebody to do it for me because I just couldn't do it for myself. So here's the liner. I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna put this here. It looks like this. It looks so sharp. Focus on the eyebrows. Okay. It looks more cleaner. So I've just waited for 2 minutes. So now I'm going to be applying my lashes. Yes, they said we should wait 2 minutes before we put them on. I realized my mistakes. Was too sensitive towards my eyes, and I didn't put it so close to the eyebrows. I put it up here because I thought if it enters my eye, it's going to be that chilly. But this one, it's not. So we're going to go ahead, apply the lashes. Yes. I'll be applying it with my own hand. So here is the lash. You see it has something magnetic on it, and again on the lash here there are some small magnets, and they said if the lash is too straight you can hold it on 2 ends and you do like this so that it takes that shape. And before applying it, like on your eye like this, first of all you've got to check with the size. It shouldn't be close to this part of your eye because it's going to feel more irritating. But to that, so I guess this is an appropriate size. I'm going to go ahead and apply it. I'm using my front camera as a mirror. Let it look. And then your phone. It is already clipped. I'm gonna go ahead and clip other corners. Wow. Like, wow. Let's go ahead and put it on the other eye. Even on this one, when you look at where the liner went, you can see that it's up there. It's up there. So I guess I'll have to remove it and do it right with this second eye. Okay, we're learning together. This is my cloth. I just need some water to get rid of this eyeliner so that I reapply it correctly and have the perfect look of how this thing is supposed to sit. Woo! My goodness, it went, got my towel moist, and I'm going to remove the liner. How easy it goes away. When I'm doing this, I remember that time I was trying to get rid of those eyebrows. No, it was a hustle, like a real hustle, without even applying way too much of it. Okay, I'm gonna let it dry and I'll be reapplying the liner on that side. I hope I do it right this time. Okay, why does it feel irritated? Feel for me to do it right this time. Okay, okay, one other thing that I noticed is that when I'm applying this eyeliner, if I happen to open my eye like wide open, it sticks to the upper side. So I'm just going to let it dry so that I can reapply the eyebrow. 2 minutes, I'll be back. At 2 minutes is over. You see, this time I didn't. Yeah, so we're going to go ahead with the second one. Yeah, I feel like completed. Yes, it's best if you're removing it with your hands, because if you're using a magnetic clipper, going to clip, like stick. The magnetic clipper is going to attract the magnets, and sometimes when you try to place it on your eyebrows, you remove the magnetic clipper, it goes away with it. So applying it with your hand is the best technique. Okay, size, we're good, ne? So we're going to apply from the outside like this. Click. What? Much better. Wow. This one way better than this. Like, look, I tried, it's there, and it feels more secure than this. I feel like but anyway, practice always makes perfect, baby. This one is good. Like, I'm loving it. So perfect. It feels mwah. And now, what do you think? Okay, now I got my lashes on. I blink like a princess. Alright. Girl. And the good thing about this is that You can just remove them like nicely without a struggle. Does it? Yeah, I can see some. I don't know if you can see it. The liner removes with this, but not too much of it. So if you want to be taking them on, taking them off, taking them on, taking them off, make sure you go with this liner. Don't just apply it and leave it at home. So that when you want to return them, you reapply it and return them. Okay. So we come. It jumps in like really, really jumping. You can feel it jump. Ooh, my goodness. It did went in without me reapplying the liner because I guess I just shifted it. So that's it for today. I feel like I'm still holding one, but I'm not. That's it for today. Got my magnetic eyelashes on. Yes. In Table Charm they have like different brands. I'll link that. Don't link. I'll show you a picture of that on the site here. So I went for the classic. This is how they look, volume wise, length wise. I thought they would look dramatic, but they're okay. I'm kind of loving them, loving them, loving them. They have this beautiful case. I can wear them as many times as possible as long as the magnets are still working. So I think this is the best. Magnetic eyelashes is the best compared to traditional lashes. If there's something called, if they are called like that. Having done this, if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. We're done with the video for today. See you in my next videos, and ciao for now. Bye.